What's up, fam? So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can claim this free airdrop right here called the Bloom Protocol. Okay, so this airdrop is going to be ending in 13 days, 18 hours, 32 minutes, and some seconds from today. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now, guys, this is the best time for you to actually be a part of this airdrop right now to claim your spot. All right. So with that being said, guys, if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is TV. And what we'll do here is we'll give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever TV uploads a new video like this one you're about to watch right now, you're going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are back on the Bloom Protocol website homepage right now. So the link to actually come over to the Bloom Protocol website is going to be on this video description, and as well it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so all you simply do is go over there and hit on the link. So when you actually hit on the link, it's going to bring you over to this page you see right here. Okay, so the Bloom Protocol is actually an AI based airdrop, guys. Okay, if you actually want to claim this airdrop right now, all you simply do is hit on this place up here that is connect. So you actually need to connect your wallet first. All right, so I'm going to hit on connect right now. Here we are, guys. So as you can see right here, we can either connect using our OKX wallet, the Phantom wallet, or the Softflare wallet. Okay, we actually prefer using Phantom, so I'm going to hit on Phantom right here, guys. So it says redirecting to Phantom mobile wallet. So I'm going to hit on continue right now. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. Okay, guys, here we are. So as you can see, it says I should connect. I'm going to hit on connect right here. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so guys, I just connected my Bloom protocol to my Phantom wallet right now. So over here that says claim your early community NFT, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, guys, so I had to switch over to my PC. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently on the web page right now. So down below here it says early community pass, and it says complete all tasks to earn rewards. Okay, so down below here it says 1000 points, one early community pass, and down here it says claim. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down right now to just complete the tasks. All right, so let's go, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here it says link social, connect Telegram account, link your Telegram account to verify your group join. Okay, down below here it says join the community, join Telegram group, stay tuned for instant updates. Okay, so I'm going to hit on connect right here, guys. Okay, here we are. So it's going to load up, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here it says log in to use your Telegram account with bloomprotocol.ai and Bloom for good. And down below here says, please enter your phone number in the international format and we will send a confirmation message to your account via Telegram. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do all of this right now. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so guys, let's go. Here we are, guys. So they sent a confirmation message to my Telegram. So as you can see, I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. Okay, so I just accepted it right now. So I'm going to go back to my PC, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my PC right now. So as you can see, it says done right here. Okay, so the next is it says join the community. So I'm going to hit on join, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, boom, guys. So as you can see right here, it says done. All right, so I'm going to hit on claim right now. I'm going to go up and just hit on claim. Okay, so I'm going to claim my reward right now, guys. As you can see right now, it says claimed. All right, so that is basically how you can actually claim your 1000 points right here early enough, guys. Okay, so the link to hop on this airdrop right now is going to be on this video description, guys. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. Smash on that subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching and have a peaceful day. Peace out.